Okay, yesterday I was cleaning up by that couch right there, and I moving some things around, and it hit my keyboard there, and it knocked the keyboard over, and I heard a crash. Well, looked at the keyboard, didn't seem to do much damage, and I thought to myself, the keyboard didn't even hit the dog and hurt him either. But anyway, yeah, I thought, well, that's pretty good. I didn't seem to wreck anything, until I looked at my Eufy. That's my vacuum cleaner. Well, you can see what it did. You can see my bald head in the reflection too. But you can see what it did is the thing must have come down on it. You can busted it. Oh, that sucked. I think I've owned it for about a month, and I like the vacuum cleaner, and but we're going to test it out and see if it's going to work. I got it. It's charging right now. You can see when it's flashing yellow like that, that means it's charging. But yeah, that's part of that's some of the bugs that come in, and it's been kind of cold, so they're really lethargic right now. But yeah, this is part of the glass right here from the Eufy that I can see some of it right here. But we'll test it out right now and see if it'll work after the glass on the top got broke. And yeah, that's Glasser. I was moving some bugs around for this video, and it poked me. I got some glass in my finger, but we'll test it out right now. See, here's the remote they give you at the Eufy, and we're gonna give it a try and see what happens here. So, see if it vacuums anything or not. Yeah, she busted pretty good. It's heading for Kirby, and Kirby doesn't like it. So, going for a live bug. We're gonna suck it up. It seems to be working. Sucking up bugs pretty good. Yeah, I'm using the remote to change directions just because I want to try it out on those bugs over there. But, seems to have not hurt it. I mean, it's bombing around looking for. Well, maybe the thing is stuck back there. Won't go out of there or something. It doesn't want to leave there. I'll have to give it a little push. Get it out of there. Yeah, Kirby the dog doesn't like that thing. He's laying in the sun over there trying to get warm, and he's kind of banged up. His hip is hurting him, so he's kind of working on 3 legs today. And he had a little fall. Yeah, it seems like the thing's working. I mean, after being trashed like that, it's picking up bugs pretty good. I'm turning it with my remote right now. So you push the button right there and it turns it. So, yeah, it's sweeping a little bit. We'll see if it picks that stuff up. Well, yeah, it's sucking up the dog there. Yeah, you got kind of a dirty floor. There's some chips that you dropped. Or not chips, cornflakes that dropped down on the floor this morning. Now my video is getting kind of long. I'm sure you're going to get the idea, so I'm going to shut that off.